told you, Henry, why you're too little to hunt chickens with me.
You mean on account of what you was telling me that chickens are great big monsters?
Yep,
They got big sharp teeth and they live in caves?
that's right.
And they fight like demons?
Right.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go get some.
You're not going, and that's that.
A fine thing. I'm a chicken hawk and I never even seen a chicken. Well, I'm gonna get my first chicken today, and that's that.
I hated to tell Henry falsehoods about chickens, but a kid would only be in my way. You'll probably hate me for what I'm gonna do, but after all, I am a chicken hawk. That's what I've been telling you, boy. I am a chicken.
He talked me into it.
I'm just a loudmouthed snook.
Chicken or schnook, in our oven he'll look good.